Students, today we will discuss about the solution of 2 marks question from yesterday's assignment. First question was find the number of all 3-digit numbers, 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 9. Okay, so first of all you have to consider which one is the first 3-digit natural number which is divisible by 9. First of all, 3-digit natural number starts with 100 and the first 3-digit divisible number which is divisible by 9 is 108 and the last 3-digit natural number which is divisible by 9 is 999. Okay, so if you form a AP series, first of all after 108, 117 is divisible by 9, then 126 is divisible by 9 and so on. In this way you can say that in this AP series, why it is AP series? Because the difference is same and the difference is 9, right? So this is our AP series where the first term is 108 and common difference is 9 and the last term is also given as 999. So first of all our motive will be we have to find the number of term where 999 is allotted. Okay, so I am considering that the nth term is 999. Okay, that is an is equal to 999. You have to find this value of n. Just put it in the general equation. You will get the value of n is equal to 100. That means the 100th term is 999. So find the number of all 3-digit natural number which is divisible by 9. So this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. In this way, this is the 100th term and this one is the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 9. That means there will be 100 numbers which is divisible by 9. There will be 100 3-digit natural numbers which is divisible by 9. Now next question, solve the following system of linear equation by substitution method. This is very easy. First of all, take this equation. Okay, from this equation you can find the value of y which is 2x minus 2. Then take this equation and in place of this y put this value 2x minus 2 and solve it. You will get the value of x as 3 and the y will be 4. Now we will discuss about this question. Solve for x, 12x square minus 6a square plus b square x into 3a square b square equal to 0. As you can see here, the coefficients are multiple of 3, so you can take 3 as common and you can cancel it. So after cancelling the 3, the equation transformed in 4x square minus 2a square plus b square x plus a square into b square. Now if you do the multiplication here, if you remove the first bracket, it will be in this form. Okay, now from the first two term take 2x common and from the next two term take minus b square common. After taking this common, you can see that in the next line this 2 digit will be common. Okay, here it will be a square, here it will be a square. That's why 2x minus a square is common. If you take 2x minus x square as common, the remaining will be 2x minus b square. That means you can say that either 2x minus b square equal to 0 or 2x minus a square is equal to 0. From here the value of x will be b square by 2 and from here the value will be a square by 2. So the solution of x is either b square by 2 or a square by 2. Next question, 2 tankers contain 650 liters and 680 liters of petrol respectively. Find the maximum capacity of the container which can be measured the petrol of either tanker in exact number of times. Okay, the maximum capacity of container which can measure the petrol in exact number of time will be the HCF of the amount of the petrol contained in 2 tankers. That means the HCF of 850 and 680. If you find the HCF here, the HCF will be 170 liters. Next question, find the value of -1 plus -1 to the power 2n plus -1 to the power 2n plus 1 plus -1 to the power 6n, 4n plus 1, where n is any positive integer. Okay, look at here, n is any positive integer. If n is positive, n is positive odd integer. Okay, if n is positive odd integer, 2n will be positive even integer, right? Similarly, since 2n is even, 2n plus 1, that is the next, will be odd. Okay, again since n is odd integer, 4 into n will be even integer. Since 4n is even, 4n plus 1, that is the next term, will be odd integer. Okay, this is the simple calculation. Now take this expression. Okay, so -1, the value of -1 will remain as -1. -1 to the power 2n, since 2n is even, since the power is even, so it is equal to 1, only positive 1. This one, since 2 to the power, since 2n plus 1 is odd, since the power is odd, that's why it will be -1. Again, since 4n plus 1 is odd, it will be again -1. So this positive 1 will cancel with this -1. There is 2 remaining -1, that's why the value will be -2. Okay, so if you take the power of the last term as 4 to the power n plus 2, if you take as 4n plus 2, then it will be again even, and if you take as 4n plus 1, it will be odd. So in your question paper, in the assignment, it is given as 4n plus 1. So if you take 4n plus 1 and if you do the calculation, your answer of the whole expression will be -2. Okay, but here I am considering the actual question, which is -1 to the power 4n plus 2. Now since 4n plus 2 is even, it will be 1. This one was -1, this one was +1, and this is -1. So they will cancel to each other, and the value will be 0. Now next question, if -5 is a root of the quadratic equation this one, and the quadratic equation this one has equal root, find the value of k. Since -5 is the root of this equation, put the value x equal to -5 in this equation, you will get the value of p, which is 7. Okay, now since the value is 7, the value of p is 7, so in place of p in the second equation, put 7. Okay, it will be transformed into 7x square plus 7x plus k. Now here the condition is, for the second equation, roots are equal. That means the value of the discriminant is equal to 0, or b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here the b square minus 4ac value will be 7 square minus 4 into 7 into k. From here you can find the value of k, which is 7 by 4. Now a 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of the digits. If it is also equal to 3 times of the product of digits, find the number. Okay, so again I am considering the digit in 1 place as x, the digit in 10's place as y, so the number will be 10y plus x. According to the question, the number is 4 times of the sum of the digit. That means 10y plus x is equal to 4 into x plus y. If you simplify it, you will get x is equal to 2y. Mark this as equation number 1. In the second condition, it is given that it is also 3 times of the product of the digit. That means this number, the original number, is 3 times into x into y. Okay, so mark this equation as equation number 2. Now just solve these two equations by substitution method. You will get the value of x and y. Okay, y will be 2 and x will be 4, so the required number is 24. Now how many terms of the AP 65, 60, 55 be taken so that the sum is 0? Okay, so the sum, that means Sn have to be 0. First term is 65, second term is 60, that means the common difference is 60 minus 65, that is minus 5. You know the formula of Sn, which is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, just in this formula put the value of a and d, you will get the value of n, which is 27. That means the sum of 27 terms is equal to 0. Next question, find the ratio in which y-axis divides the line segments joining the point this one and this one. Also find the coordinate of the point of division. So suppose this is y-axis. Since p lies on y-axis, that means p will be in the form of 0y. That's why I am considering the point on y-axis p is equal to 0y, and I am considering the ratio of division as k is to 1. So just use simple section formula. If you use the section formula in on these two coordinate, okay, a and b, then the coordinate of p, okay, the coordinate of p will be, okay, the coordinate of p will be k into minus 1, that is minus k, plus 1 into 5, that is only 5, by k plus 1, this will be x coordinate, and y coordinate will be minus 4k minus 6 by k plus 1. If you use section formula on AB, okay, if you use section formula on AB with respect to the ratio k is to 1, the coordinate of p will be this one, and I am considering the coordinate of p as 0y. Okay, I am considering as 0y. That means this x coordinate and this 0 will be equal to each other. That's why I am equating this one with 0. From here the value of k will be 5. Since the value of k is 5 here, that means k is to 1 means 5 is to 1. Okay. Now you have to find the coordinate of the exact point P. Just in the section formula, in place of k put 5, you will get the coordinate of P, which is 0 comma minus 13 by 3. Okay. Next question, R and S are the points on the side DE and EF respectively of a AD of a AD, sorry, it will be of a DEF such that ER is equal to 5 centimeter, RD is equal to 2.5 centimeter, SE is equal to 3.5 cent. Sorry, SE is equal to 1.5 centimeter and SF is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Find whether these two will be parallel or not. Okay, and so if they are parallel by PPT theorem, you know that AC by SF is equal to ER by RD, right? So you will check these two ratio. First of all, RE by RD is equal to 5 by 2.5. This by this is equal to 5 by 2.5, that is only 2. Now AC by SF is equal to 1.5 by 3.5, which is equal to 7 by 3. So as you can see, these two ratio are unequal, that's why they will be not parallel to each other. So this is all for today.